Are you struggling with messy code and a slow workflow in VS Code? Today I will show you the top 5 VS Code extensions that make your code cleaner, faster and easier to manage. Stay till the end. Let's get started. Extension number 1, Prettier. Here's a messy HTML file. Watch this. Just press Alt plus Shift plus F and Prettier instantly format everything. All the indentation, spaces and line break are fixed automatically. Extension number 2, bracket pair colorizer. Look at this nested if else with loops. Normally it's confusing. With bracket pair colorizer, each matching bracket pair gets a different color. You can instantly see which block in where. After installing this, no more missing or extra bracket and your code structure is much easier to read. Extension number 3, live server. I will open this HTML file, right click, open with live server. Now, if I change the background color in CSS, it reloads automatically in a browser without refreshing. It helps you to get instant feedback, which is perfect for front-end development and it saves a lot of time. Extension number 4, Path Intelligence. Type src in HTML file. See, Path Intelligence suggests all the file and folder automatically. I don't have to remember exact file names or folder structure. Fewer path errors, faster coding, and less frustration for beginners. At last, extension number 5, error lanes. Look at this JavaScript file with mistakes. Error lanes highlight error directly on the line. You can see what's wrong immediately without checking the problem panel. After installing this, it helps to fix error faster, learn from your mistakes, and develop good coding habits earlier. These are the top 5 VS Code extensions that make coding faster, cleaner, and smarter. Install them today, and your workflow will improve instantly. Like, subscribe, and comment which extension you find the most useful. See you in the next video.